Introducing Otto, the juice extractor. Otto is the king of the Freshmark family of juicers and built like a locomotive. Operators will love his stamina. He's always hungry, he makes great juice non-stop, and he cleans up nicely. He's always on time, never complains, and best of all, Otto loves profits. His entire focus in life is to please the customer and to keep them coming back for more. Otto follows in the footsteps of the famous 932, which has been serving juice day in and day out in thousands upon thousands of restaurants, bars, cafes, and shops all over the world. Before Otto was born, we spoke with multiple juicing shop owners and operators in order to shape the vision of what Otto could do and be. Top of the list was Juice Shield, the ability to extract as much juice as possible from costly produce, one of the largest expenses for any juicing operation. As a centrifugal juicer, one of the reasons Otto can deliver juice so efficiently is the large strainer basket, which features a mesh hole size that is specifically designed to maximize juice yield and minimize pulp. Additionally, Otto has a healthy 3-inch 76mm feed chute, as well as a 2-inch 50mm chute available for select countries. And because Otto's funnel tip spout guides the juice directly into the cup and can be turned upwards, the waste of splashing and drips are reduced to a bare minimum. The other input we received based on operator experience was to make sure that Otto has the sheer power to handle back-to-back juicing without overheating. After seeing Otto pulverize kale, beets, ginger, and even pineapple, you will see what we mean by stamina. Under the hood, Otto's quiet, powerful induction motor with dual fans is designed to support even the busiest juicing operations without taking a break. Otto's body is a rugged aluminum alloy, and his rock-solid handle is built to endure the wear and tear of daily use and cleaning. Otto's juice bowl and strainer basket are made from stainless steel to maximize durability with constant use and sanitation. While Otto vigorously extracts, he also meets or exceeds rigorous international safety requirements. The spout height and oversized non-skid drip tray are designed to hold a cup or a blender jar, providing the flexibility to also offer smoothies made with fresh juice. Otto's sealed water-resistant switches and a bowl gasket prevent juice from reaching the clutch assembly. And then his ergonomically designed food pusher and a lightweight BPA-free Triton lid help to further reduce strain on operators. Otto is proud to meet sanitation requirements and NSF approval. His easy-to-remove parts like the strainer basket, lid, and bowl offer the peace of mind of knowing the operators can quickly clean and sanitize every component along the juicing path. His convenient 10-liter, 13-quart pulp bin is quick and easy to empty. For additional flexibility, an optional pulp chute extension offers the ability to direct pulp into any under-counter bin. Without a doubt, when it comes to giving you the best option for your juicing business, Otto the Juice Extractor delivers. Otto, the Juice Extractor. Now that's more good thinking from Hamilton Beach Commercial. To find out more about the rest of the Freshmark family of juicers or other technical information, visit our website at hamiltonbeachcommercial.com.